Hey, you guys, it's Coach Ben with Give and Grow, here with another Give and Grow breathwork for you guys today. If you're new to breathwork, you're in a great spot. If you're used to breathwork, welcome. We're excited to share this special style of breathwork where we combine music that you guys might even know and already listen to, with the power of breath, so that we can get all the mental, emotional, and physical benefits that both music and breath have for us. So if you are new to breathwork, I'm going to say in, and you're going to breathe in through your nose. And as you're breathing in, you're going to try to expand your belly out to the front, to the back, and to the sides, really breathing in all directions. And when we breathe out, we're blowing out birthday candles, okay? So the song that I have prepared for you guys today is all around the word of this specific breathwork, which is listening. Right? Listening can build connection with others. It can help us learn. It can also help us to build connection with ourselves, right? Listening to our own thoughts, listening to our emotions and how our body's feeling, right? That can help us understand. And when we better understand ourselves and others, we can help them. We can perform better, right? There's so many benefits to listening and listening deeply. So the song today is Listen by Little Stranger, and it's a nice slow song to relax to. So go ahead, make yourself comfortable. You can close your eyes so you can really connect deep within yourself. And here we go. Let's breathe. Go ahead and breathe out, in.
Close your eyes and listen, find the rhythm. Can you dig it? Throw your hands to the ceiling just to let me know you feel it. Or the energy spinning. If you got it, go and give it. Move your body to the music. Free your mind and free your spirit. Here it lies inside us all. On the rise, we'll never fall. If you wanna walk, you gotta learn to crawl. If you wanna walk, you gotta learn to crawl. Sing it. Don't ever let them bring you down. We're gonna walk together, sharing all this love we found. Time don't exist, it's more a matter of mind. And the matter
your
of fact
belly,
is that these
front,
people
back,
are
and
blind.
sides.
Strip away the layers, see what's hiding behind. Some people say I'm crazy, I say I'm doing fine. Some people say I'm crazy, I say I'm doing fine. Some people say I'm
nice
crazy, I say I lost my mind.
And listening to the music and your breath.
I've been dim with it, man. I'm down on my luck. I've been a super school loose, obtuse and a drunk. Yo, I've been a stubborn ox with a chip on my shoulder. And yeah, I treated the world like my personal boulder. But come on now, if we took a second to check our own perspective, man, we find we're intertwined. Our minds are so connected, but some try to divide and rely on the attack. It's got me thinking that they don't know jack, man. They don't know jack.
Letting go of any stress from your day. In with just the presence to listen. In listening. In. In. Last breath. Go ahead and breathe all the way out. Really empty all the way. And then go ahead and breathe all the way in. Fill up your belly, fill up your sides, your back. Hold your breath at the top for as long as you'd like. And as you're here, since we're practicing and talking about listening, just listen to the sounds around you. Listening to the sounds around us helps us to get present. And when we're present, a lot of times stress, worry, doubt, fear, it just drops away. So just by listening, we can focus on the here and now, the present moment. If you're still holding, beautiful. If you can hold for another whole minute, go ahead if you like. Or if you've stopped your hold already, you can go ahead and open your eyes. I want to say thank you for tuning in the video. And more importantly, thank you for taking a moment to connect, to listen to some music, to slow down, to breathe. Because there truly are so many benefits to this simple practice of just enjoying some music and taking some slow, deep, intentional breaths. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you want to hit like, go ahead. If you want to hit subscribe, even better. And if you want to leave a comment and let us know how this breath work made you feel, we greatly appreciate it. So I'll connect with you guys in the next video. You already know it's time to grow. See you soon.